Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can ride motorcycle in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. You will unlock the vehicle feature after you reach level 6 if I'm not mistaken, and then you can get the motorcycle for free. And if you want to ride the motorcycle, you can go to this vehicle menu. Okay, click on this car icon, and then you will be able to drive the green motorcycle, and you can get this green motorcycle for free guys. Okay, and just start to ride the motorcycle like this. And if you want to stop riding, you just need to click on the driver. But wait, let me ride the motorcycle to my house. Okay, I'm going to park the motorcycle here, and then you can tap on the driver. Okay, and if you want to ride the motorcycle again, just click on this icon. Yeah, just like that. Okay guys, and that's how you can ride the motorcycle in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.